What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a 2020 ZX6R. Bike has been totally rebuilt by myself. I've had the M4 slip-on exhaust on it and it sounds amazing. So today we're going to make a video about that and let you guys know what it sounds like. So stay tuned. Alright, so I have the camera set up, the bike is over here. This is going to be a cold start. It is plus 10 degrees Celsius right now, so this is what it's going to sound like. Alright guys, so that's what it sounds like on the M4, on the ZX6R. The M4 is an amazing exhaust. It's super loud. You can behead. It has a deep tone and it pops and bangs and everything on downshifts, upshifts. So 10 over 10, super happy with it. I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. Great exhaust. If you're looking to get one for your ZX6R, this is the way to go. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm not sponsored by these people. It is just a great product in general and that's why I bought it. So super happy I got it. Nothing wrong with it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give me a like, throw a comment, subscribe, and I'll make more videos about the ZX6R. So stay blessed and have a good one.